Roses are universally cherished for their unparalleled beauty and intoxicating fragrance, symbolizing love, passion, and elegance across cultures and centuries. Beyond their ornamental value, roses also play a significant role in industries like cosmetics, food, and medicine. Whether you're captivated by the romantic allure of a rose garden or fascinated by the intricate process of transforming rose petals into luxurious products, the journey of this iconic flower is as rich and diverse as its history. In today's video, we're delving deep into the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of roses, unraveling the secrets behind how these delicate blooms reach their full potential. So, stay with us as we explore the world of roses and discover why they continue to enchant us. Did you know that roses are among the oldest cultivated flowers, with their origins tracing back over 35 million years? The first evidence of cultivated roses was found in China around 5,000 years ago. In ancient Persia, roses were a symbol of beauty and were highly prized, leading to the creation of the first rose gardens. Today, there are over 150 species of roses, with thousands of cultivars developed for their stunning colors, scents, and unique attributes. Roses also produce a precious oil known as liquid gold due to its high value and labor-intensive extraction process. Just 1 liter of rose oil requires nearly 5,000 kilograms of rose petals. Roses are not just beautiful to look at, they're also delicious. In the culinary world, rose petals and rose water add a delicate floral note to both sweet and savory dishes. They are used in Middle Eastern cuisine to enhance desserts like baklava, Turkish delight, and various pastries. Rose petals can also be candied for decoration or used in salads for a fragrant twist. Rose hips, the fruit of the rose plant, are packed with vitamin C and are commonly used in jams, teas, and syrups. The versatility of roses in the kitchen highlights their timeless appeal and ability to transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. The cultivation of roses begins with selecting the ideal climate and soil. Roses thrive in temperate climates with well-drained, fertile soils rich in organic matter. The ideal pH for growing roses ranges between 6.0 and 6.5, ensuring the plants have access to essential nutrients. While roses need plenty of sunlight, around 6 to 8 hours per day, they also benefit from some afternoon shade in regions with extremely hot summers. Before planting, the soil is typically enriched with compost or well-rotted manure to boost fertility. Roses can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or grafting, with grafted roses being the preferred method for producing high-quality plants. Proper spacing is essential to allow airflow and reduce disease pressure. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the growing season, but care must be taken to avoid waterlogged conditions that can lead to root rot. Fertilization with a balanced nutrient mix, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, helps enhance growth and bloom production. The harvesting of roses is a delicate process, especially when the blooms are destined for essential oil extraction or culinary uses. The ideal time to harvest roses is early in the morning when the petals are at their freshest and the essential oil content is at its peak. The blooms are carefully picked by hand to avoid damaging the delicate petals, and they are immediately transported to processing facilities to preserve their quality. For rose oil production, the flowers are often harvested when they are only partially open, ensuring the highest concentration of oils. Meanwhile, roses used for bouquets or culinary purposes are harvested at different stages, depending on the desired use. Throughout the harvest season, growers conduct regular checks to ensure that only the finest blooms are selected. Once harvested, the roses undergo various processing methods depending on their intended use. For essential oil production, the fresh petals are distilled using steam to extract the highly valued rose oil. This process must be carried out swiftly to prevent the petals from losing their fragrance. The resulting rose oil is a key ingredient in perfumes, skincare products, and aromatherapy due to its soothing properties. For culinary purposes, rose petals are often dried or infused to create rose water, a popular ingredient in desserts and beverages. The petals can also be used to produce jams, syrups, and teas. Rose hips, the fruit that forms after the bloom, are dried and processed into vitamin-rich products like herbal teas and supplements. Quality control is essential throughout the processing stages to ensure that the final products are free from contaminants and retain their natural properties. This meticulous approach helps maintain the purity, fragrance, and health benefits of roses, making them a sought-after ingredient worldwide. From the garden to the bottle, the journey of a rose is filled with meticulous care and timeless beauty. By appreciating the intricate process behind cultivating, harvesting, and processing roses, we can better understand why these flowers have captivated human hearts for centuries. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the world of roses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the fascinating world of agriculture, flowers, and their many uses.